this is another video, and today I'm doing a squishy experiment. This is squishy experiment number 1. I didn't do a squishy squishy video because I didn't have the time for it, because I just wanted to open it. So the next day, now I want to do a squishy experiment because I want my squishy to be more slow rising. So without further ado, let's get started with this video. Okay, so this is my cafe squishy. It's not that squishy.
Well, look at that. Someone is carrying locally grown produce.
This is my jumbo panda bun squishy. It's not that squishy, but it's kind of defected, but not that much. This is my toast bread squishy. They're all not squishy, and they all smell bad. So this is my ice cream squishy. This one's kind of better. So now we're gonna put it in the freezer for 20 minutes. So yeah. So we're gonna put it for 20 minutes in a Ziploc bag for it cannot get ruined.
Sleeping for 1 hour around here and everyone ditches you.
Here's our squishies. Oh, they're so cool. The bag is gone. Okay guys, so here is the package, and now we're gonna take it out. So first we got this toast bread. I want squishy. This actually really got really squishy. Really hard too. Using all my dynamite. It's really good. So it goes to the next one. It looks so evil. Okay, next is the cafe squishy.
Knowing you, you'll be back at it.
Oh my gosh. And it's still rising. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I can't believe this. Oh my gosh. It's so slow rising. This is like the big good one. So good. Oh my gosh. So here's this panda, jumbo panda bun. So whoa. All of them got squishy. Oh my god. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my gosh. And here's ice cream squishy. Really squishy too. Actually got stretchy. So there it is. Hope you like the squishy experiment. I think this one was a complete fail. But it actually got a little more squishier, but I'm in love with this cafe squishy now. So pretty. Okay. Thank you so much for watching this squishy experiment. Keep a lookout for squishy experiment number 2. Bye.